Hi, this tap affirmation video is for you if you're working with the law of attraction, you love affirmations, and you want to supercharge them with tapping. Hi, I'm Sarah from Tapping Into Money Girl. Okay, two quick things before we get into the tapping. Firstly, emotions can come up. So if this happens, place your feet flat on the floor, tap on your collarbone points, and keep tapping and breathing through until the feelings subside. Secondly, by tapping along with this video, you're agreeing to take full responsibility for your own physical and mental health well-being. Okay, so when we tap on affirmations, we're not tapping affirmations in. We're tapping on releasing any blocks, any resistance, any mind trolls, any mind monkeys that we might have around the affirmation that might be saying this isn't true for you. And by doing that, we are strengthening our belief in our affirmation. Okay, so today's affirmation is new avenues of income are always opening up to me. So just tapping and repeating, new avenues of income are always opening up to me. New avenues of income are always opening up to me. New avenues of income are always opening up to me. New avenues of income are always opening up to me. New avenues of income are always opening up to me. New avenues of income are always opening up to me. New avenues of income are always opening up to me. New avenues of income are always opening up to me. New avenues of income are always opening up to me. Just breathe in, breathe out. Place your hand on your heart chakra, your mid-upper chest, and we repeat one more time. New avenues of income are always opening up to me. Need to do a little bit more tapping. Otherwise, happy tapping. I'm Sarah from Tapping Into Money Girl. Thank you.